Okay, so in this section, we're gonna just do a really quick basic distinction, I guess, between equations and expressions. Sometimes these get like interchanged, which I guess most of the time it doesn't make too much of a difference, but there's a huge difference, namely because one allows you to do stuff, one allows you to like simplify stuff mainly. So equations is stuff you've been seeing before. I don't know, 2 equals x squared minus 6 or something like that. This is a quadratic equation. Actually, I'll make a better one. X squared minus 2 equals 6 or something. I don't know. This is an equation. Why? Because there is an equation sign. Equation sign. So that's really the significance of that, because now you have two sides that you can work with and, solve for x and do whatever you want. It's an equation. Expression on the other side is different in the sense that there is no equal sign. So 2x squared plus 3. That's an expression. A mathematical expression, that is. A quadratic expression, that is. But not an equation. So what does this mean? We can't like automatically just put a 0. Like theoretically, that's what it kind of, is showing, but it's very unclear as to do that. Usually in these equations and stuff, you deal more with simplifying stuff, and if they give you what this is at x equals 2, then you can evaluate this expression to, just find the answer. But we don't really know that. Sometimes you put an f of x here or something. That's an equation though, because you have an equal sign. Equation sign. Equal sign, yeah. Yeah, so this is an expression. Usually you have to simplify stuff, so I don't know, it can be like 2x squared plus x squared minus 6. So in this case, you can simplify expressions and equations as well, but this is expression, so that's really common to do to simplify stuff and do stuff with like terms. These are called like terms. Why? Because it's like ignoring like factors of like in front of the coefficients are called. They're like terms because they're the same degree and same types, x squared and x squared. Yeah, so these two are like terms. You can add them up, so you get 3x squared. Same thing, like 2x plus 3x plus 2x squared. What will that equal? Well, these are like terms because there's an x and an x. Same thing. These are not like terms. These are not like terms. But these are. So you add them up, 5x plus 2x squared. That's good. Okay, mainly in these expressions is when you can factor as well. I don't know, x squared minus 4, for example. This is an expression, but you can, knock it down using dots, difference of 2 squares, remember? So yeah, that's, now this is also an expression. But yeah, you can set it equal to 0 to find the zeros, though. But that's like an equation now, and then you can solve. Yeah, that's the basic difference between equations and expressions.